And welcome back to the morning show, 6:50, time for our Wise Guys segment. And today we're continuing our month-long Kid Scientist project. And today we have with us Dottie Green and Stephen Green. Thank you very much. Stephen, what do you have here? What are you doing?
Well, what we do is you pour some vinegar into a bottle and tape it to a straw on the string, and hopefully it doesn't spill.
That's okay, just spill
And
a little
then
bit.
Dottie,
We use baking soda, put it in the bottle, and it'll shoot that way.
as long as you screw the lid right on it.
And what's in that little, is that what's in your tissue paper?
Yeah, baking
How
soda.
come you put it in the tissue paper?
So that it wouldn't go out as soon as you drop it in.
So the idea
So,
here is that you've got some vinegar in here, right?
Right.
Then you put that tissue paper in with the baking soda in it, so it kind of keeps the baking soda separate from the vinegar to start with. That gives you time to screw the lid on. And then the bottle, this rocket thing, is going to slide along this fishing line, which is attached way over there, goes through the straw, and I'm going to hang on to the other end of it. And so, if we're lucky, it's going to go real fast and hit me. Is that what you're saying?
Well, yeah, kind of.
I see how this works.
That's a good plan. Reporter involvement for you, Wise Guy involvement for you today, Matt.
Okay, so now you guys are going to do this kind of carefully. So what
Okay.
I'm going to do is I'm going to stand back here and stretch out this line.
Be careful.
And you don't want to. Okay. Now you're going to do what you were practicing, I bet.
All right, Stephen, show us what we're supposed to do here.
Okay, now you put that in.
Tip it.
She loads up the tissue with the baking soda. He
See the
screws
lid
on the
on?
lid.
Shaking it up and let her go.
Ah!
Oh, there it is.
Uh-oh.
It's trying.
Wait, we'll let gravity help. Wait. Is it fizzing?
It may have fizzed out.
Yeah.
Here, watch this. It's going to work. Ready? Woo! Wow. That's a great project. See?
This slide's pretty good.
This is back and forth.
I gotta say that this is part of science, you know. I would say when you're doing real science, maybe 8 times out of 10 doesn't work at all.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you learn something from that. And
Sure.
I think what happened here was this lid is just a little bit crooked, and so all the gas kind of escaped underneath the crookedness
Right.
of that lid. So what we're going to have to do...
We spilled a little vinegar too, so
Yeah.
that may have played into the factor.
Yeah. So we're going to try this thing one more time,
But
I
okay.
think.
All right.
And also when we come back, since we were doing this rocket thing, I
Right.
figured this would be a great time to talk about how rockets work.
Rockets work.
Yeah, so that's all about Newton's third law and things like that, and so I have a demo to illustrate that. It
yeah.
involves a skateboard.
Yeah, we were in the studio earlier, and Robert Reese saw the skateboard, and his eyes got about that big around since he fell on skates. And
That's right.
Hurt his arm, so we're trying to keep him away from the skateboard.
Right.
But we'll do some modifications here, and we'll come back with Dottie and Stephen Green and Matt and I, and we'll make this thing work. We'll get a rocket fizzing out here.
Right, the space shuttle launch has only been delayed by half an hour.
Yeah, no problem. Half an hour. We'll wait for sunrise, so we'll get a better eye on what's going on here. All right, it's coming up on 6:53. Let's get a check of storm tracker weather on the 3s with Skater.